Instagram has new friends tab in the Reels feed where you can see what your friends are liking, creating, reposting, or commenting on. If you want to keep your activity private, this video will show you how to hide your liked Reels. So let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, and tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings and activities section. Use the search bar in the top and search for activity in friends tab. Go ahead and tap on that option over there and you'll get two different options of followers you follow back and no one. Go ahead and select no one. This will hide your likes and comments on Reels from the Friends tab. You can change this setting whenever you want. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.